Hi everyone, today we'll solve one of the most commonly asked programming interview questions, that is finding the duplicates of a string array and counting the repetitions count. Okay, without wasting much time, let's get started. So I'll just create a new question. Just create the main method and I'll just declare a string str is equal to sample string data. Also note that I am keeping both uppercase and lowercase letters just to check our logic works fine. And I'll be calling the find duplicate method, and I'll be passing the string str. I'll create the method here. Find Right duplicate. It will accept a string called str. And okay, yeah, this is what we'll be doing. So to mirror, no, so okay. Okay, and now what will be the algorithm will be something like this. So what we'll be doing is we'll check each of this character. Uh, Basically, what we'll be doing is like we'll create an hash map and we'll check if this character exists in a hash map. If it exists, then we'll update the count of that key in the hash map by one. And if it doesn't exist, then we'll add the count as one. So yeah, let's do this. First, to iterate over this string, we'll convert it into a character array. We'll do it by to char array method. This will give us the string, a character array, and we'll be using this as an to input, and we'll create a map. Uh, it will be char, so char, comma uh, integer. Okay, and we'll be calling it as carmap photo new hash map hash map. Okay, I okay, now what we'll be doing is like I'll be iterating over this char array. To iterate over the character array, I'll be using for each. Okay, and I'll be since this is a char, the data type will be char, and uh, I'll be getting the key since I'll be storing the each character as a key to the hash map. I'll be calling this as key, and the data type from the array from which we are uh, iterating is called char array. I'll just make it like this. And now, okay, now I'll be checking if this char map contains this key. Okay, so to check it, I'll just add a condition if char map dot con, uh, contains key called key. If it contains, then what I'll be doing is like char map dot So I'll be updating the value by one, right? So I'll be keeping the key as same. The key will be the same key, whereas the value will be something which will be incremented by one, right? So I'll be getting the char map dot get of key. So I got the key value, and I'll be incrementing it by one. So this should fetch, this should update the maps value by one. And if it doesn't contain the uh, the key, I mean basically the string as a key, then I'll just update the char map by one. Dot put key, comma one, so that the new entry will be updated. And I'll just print this char array. Sys- then print- sorry, not char array, char map, so that we'll be seeing if it is working fine. Okay, sorry. Since it was okay, okay, so it has printed all the count of all the characters, but if you can see, it has even counted the space as a character. So we'll remove the space since it's not required for us. Uh, to remove the space, what we can do is like uh, str dot is this comma space. We'll use this regex. Just here. Yeah. I hope it should work. No, okay, so you should not be defining the str string here. It should be fine now. It's backslash. Something. Yeah. So what I have done is like I'm replacing the space. Space is nothing but the regex for space is blank space is backslash s, and the replacement character which I'm doing is like I'm just replacing it with double quotes, like basically I'm removing the space here, and I'm assigning the same to the string variable, and then I'm using the string then I'm doing the same thing. Okay, so I got the response. Also, if you can see here, uh, the character A is being counted as because actually it's considering case sensitivity. So that's why you can see the capital A is being counted as one and small a is being counted as three, which we don't want, right? So what we can do is like we can convert this string to either uppercase or lowercase. I can do it here as well, to uppercase or to lowercase. Okay, and then dot replace. So this should fix this issue. Okay. So the character A is being counted as 4. Um, okay, so this is the solution for this. But sometimes the interviewer may ask you to show only those characters which are having more than one duplicates. For example, in case A is 4 and S is 2, and they may not be interested in D, E, G. So in such cases, what we can do is like uh, we can filter the map and show only the those characters where the value is more than one. Okay, so how we do is is like uh, map dot location, uh, I'm just converting into a set and then remove remove yeah. There's a method called as remove which will take a predicate, and I will be passing a lambda function here where I'll be giving I dot get value um, is is equal to 1. Okay, what I'm doing here is like I'm passing a lambda expression where I is nothing but the each L uh, each entry value, and I'm getting the value. Okay, and I dot get value is nothing but the this value like 1, 2, 4, etc. And I'm just pass like I'll be like I'm checking if it is 1. If it is equal to 1, basically that means all these values, if it is equal to 1, then the remove if will be executed, and it'll remove all these values where the value is 1. So let's run this and we'll see if it works fine. Okay, so it removed the string. If to control C. So and
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today
we'll run it and we'll see if it works fine. Okay, it's giving true because this I'll just do this one control X. I'll just run it here and I will be printing the cal map here. It should give me the key and value pairs basically. Okay, I'm missing this one. Okay, so we got the key and value pairs of the duplicated strings. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.